Стараемся, чтобы тесто у нас не порвалось. Теперь
doing my best.
этой рукой держи, другой собираем.
На-
Берем на другую переворачиваем.
To the other.
Okay.
Подставляем.
Yeah.
Теперь ладошкой по часовой стрелке.
Okay.
Стараемся, чтобы у нас везде начинка одинаковая была.
It is very important that this central part will have this little hole to be upside.
Okay.
Yeah, exactly.
I can make these at home now. Just need a setting and cheese.
Ее не смазываем, выкладываем пирог.
Okay.
And
И теперь поправляем.
And press it. Okay.
and you need to make a little hole like this
Right
in the
here?
middle.
Спасибо. Buznik. I didn't see that there.
Yeah.
Oh, not
With
bad.
wild garlic. Not bad, bro. It's your first pie in your life.
Nirmana, okay.
Don't be shy. Don't be
Don't
shy.
be shy. Oh, I love. It's butter, right?
Now
Oh, beautiful.
you're officially cooked your own
Yeah, look at
first
that.
Syrian pie. A historical moment. Look at me.